Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking earbuds. It is called A20 and it is a Bluetooth 5.1 TWS earbuds and it is from a company called Putare. I could not pronounce it properly, but it is Putare and it is a really cool little earbuds and it is really reasonably priced. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. Alright, so here is the box. It has some pictures in the front and very small details in the back. But once we slowly cut the side and we take the actual box out of it, it is inside of another little box. Once we slowly open that out and we take everything out one by one, here are all the components that are part of this box. It comes with this user manual. It talks about what the parts are, which we will cover in this video. Also, how you can pair it, how you can charge the case. It has information on how you can pair actual earbuds and go on more. It has more information in different languages. It also comes with this charging wire. One side is USB 2.0. The other side is USB Type-C, which is really good. Now that way you can charge your base a lot faster. It also comes with these little ear tips. Now these are in two different sizes. One is a little bit smaller and one is a little bit bigger. So this way, if you require to change them because it doesn't fit your ear, or if it's too big, you have to put the bigger one. So that way it fit your ear. This will really be handy. Here is the actual earbuds. It's sitting inside of a little plastic so it doesn't get scratched up. But once you take it out, here's the charging case. Now the case looks really nice. Now going on the front, you see the name on the top, really nicely done. Going to the front part of it, you have these little lines that will tell you exactly how much charge you have, and each one of them will be on 25%. I like that little cut. Going around it, you can see to the back, you have the hinge and then the charging port, which is USB Type-C. Now going to the other side, there's nothing there. Going to the back part of it, you have the model number, is written really nicely, and then also it says that how much capacity of battery it has. And the input is 5 volt 3 amps, which is really good. Alright, so when you flip it and when you open it, there you go. I like that charge. That looks really cool. And the earbuds are sitting inside. Now when you take them out, you can see the parts are really nicely done again. You have the little sign that says L for left or for right. The top part is really done too, so that way it holds the actual earbud inside of it nicely, and the little charging part that it has a little film on so you can take it out, and in this way, now when you put the earbuds back inside, it starts charging it. Now let's put this down, and here is the earbuds itself. It's designed really nice. It has their name on the top, and then you have the little part for sense, and you go to the back part of it. Here's the earbud itself, then the little sensor part. Now this is the mic, so that way when you talk it starts working for you. The charging port, and then the part that goes over your ear, and in this way it will sit inside of your ear. So this is the only part that we have to fight with sometimes to put around our ear, except that this works perfectly. And now when you look on the other side too, it's exactly the same. Has their name and then the little sensor. Go to the side, you have the mic and also the ear part itself that goes inside of your ear, the charging port, and then there's a little part that's supposed to have a little mark, but it doesn't have, like if this is right or left, and then the part that goes above your ear. Looks really nice. Enough said about it. Let's go ahead and test it out. So first make sure your phone is on, and then we're going to go into settings and Bluetooth. And now when this comes up, once you take the headphones off and you take those little things out, you have to make sure that you put them back on. In this way it activates the headphones, and then you gotta take it out, and you can see that this is flashing red and blue. That means it is just looking for it. So we will click scan and it comes up. It's called A20, so we will select it, give it a couple of seconds, and now it says to pair, so press OK. And now that flashing stops and it says connected. and I have about 90% of battery power into this. And now we are playing one of our videos itself, and now using the headphones, if we have to tap, it pauses, you see that? And then when we press again, it unpauses. So this is how easy it is to play with these headphones very quickly and accurately. Now using this app in order to record, but we're going to hook up these headphones to our head, and then we're going to press the record button on the screen itself. So once you have your screen all hooked up, press the record button, and now all the sound that you hear is from the earbuds that we have hooked up, and we're recording it on this phone. So this is how loud you can hear us using the headphones on this phone itself. But I have to mention that one thing, that we cannot hear our own voice using this headphones itself, but you can hear it right now on the screen. So we will go on to change the sound once we hook it up. But this is how clear it is, and this is how nice it is. Now here's the detail about the actual earbuds. When you are trying to charge the base itself, it takes roughly about 2 hours to charge it fully. Now that's from 0 to 100%. Another thing is that each earbuds, you can use it separately or you can use it together. Doesn't matter if you want to make a call or you want to listen to music, it's good for up to 4 hours as per the book. But when we tested it, it was roughly about 3 hours and 20 something minutes, which was still really good. It's very, very near to what they have written down. Another thing that I really like about this earbuds, when we were talking, it was very clear. The other side can hear us and we can hear the other side perfectly too using this earbuds. So this is how nice it is when you're recording something, that it shows up and also the sound will be from these headphones. So this was our test. Now I have to mention that this is very inexpensive. Links are available at the bottom of the video. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.